Ayan, good morning everyone. Ayan, so, sinira pa ng travel ang sleeping patterns ko. So, medyo ngarag pa. Uy, Bido, good morning. Ayan, so, andito si Bido ngayon sa room ko. Good morning everyone. Medyo magulo pa ang room. Naingay ang pusa ko. Today, we're gonna be talking about yun, ang laking red ni PSEi yesterday. Alright, marami na namang pulahan yesterday. Yun, so pag-usapan natin yan. And then, yun, some of my picks for today. So, I will not recommend muna being aggressive right now kasi parang, teka lang. This is Bido, yung maingay na pusa. Adapted namin. So, ang kulit ngayon. I'll not be recommending trading right now. Kasi si market is kind of shaky, right? I think nagpo-pullback pa talaga si market. We'll talk more about that in a while. Right, Dana Angela, happy Friday, morning Sir Lloyd, Laika, Apple, and Bido. Yan, si Bido nga, nakita nyo, kakakita nyo lang. Jolly Garis, good morning. Hops, sir, nabasa nyo sa PSEi. Let's check it out. Inputs po sana kay ISM, CLC, and IRC. ISM is in one of my recommendations for today. Kasi ang gandang price action niya sa support area, nagbabounce na naman siya. So, it's a good time to test it out. Cyrus Perez, good morning Sir Lloyd. Like, sir, pasilip naman po ng yung abs. Wala po akong abs eh. Miro lang. Yung ABS. Right, so ABS. Yan, so sulat natin yan. Medyo masakit nilalamunan ko. Alright, Shadow Ninja, morning Sir Lloyd, pasilip ng Alco. Alco has been doing well lately. Ang ganda ng support ni Alco. We've been looking at it. J. Mendiola, good morning Sir Lloyd. LTG, MPI, please. LTG and MPI. Alright, let's check them out. Ang cute ni Bido. Nanat Mill, good morning sir. Morning din. Right, Avmore, morning Sir Lloyd. Sir, yung ABA bouncing at MA50, okay po ba pasukan? Right, so let's check out ABA, right? Kasi yun, maganda rin naman si ABA eh. Nagbabounce nga eh. Gumagawa na ng support ngayon. Yeah, I think it's good to test it out somehow. Nagsusustain naman si ABA for a good company. Yeah, most people are holding it. So I guess this is okay to test, right? We have a support at this area, right? I'm looking at ABA right now. So, yun, wala akong MA50 but somehow it's building a support at this area after a deep, steep dive. Nagsusupport siya, holding for 3 days na itong support na ito. Yes, we can test this out. Right, so yeah, this is okay to test. If it fails, just do cut loss, ganun lang, right? So, yun, if you want to test out ABA, okay naman. AEV from Nanat Mill. Right, let's write this down. Medyo hindi ko po tatagalan ang episode today kasi medyo sakit na lalamunan ko not feeling well. Kulang sa tulog. Alas 3 pa ng umaga. Gising pa ako. My mind won't shut down. I don't know bakit. So I was just watching the international market. Ang ganda ng international market kay Google. Congratulations sa mga nagka-copy trade sa akin. We've been earning 0.75 pa lang ngayon, right? But the chart of Google has been looking well. Let me see if I can use a doodle chart. So here is the ascending. This is not ascending triangle, but this is the flag pattern that is formed by Google. Nag-breakout na siya a few days back, kaya pumasok tayo. Kaya yun, makita nyo po, pinasok po natin. Let's try doodle right here. So this was the downtrend line. That was the breakout point, kaya pinasok natin si Google on that breakout. And then here we are. We're riding now the breakout of Google. Congratulations sa mga nakapag-copy. Right? So, ayun. Bido. Down. Naka lang yung pusa ko nag-explore. Bayaan nyo na siya. Right? So, yun. Copy trade. Ayan. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-copy trade, just create an eToro account. Ako na po bahala mag-trade sa inyo. Right? For those who don't really have the time or don't have the knowledge of trading yet, And for those who want to diversify but don't want to spend time in the evenings trading the international market, I can do the trade for you. And so does, look at this right here, just click here in this area, copy people. And so does these people right here. You can see marami pong traders dyan na mga galing. Like this woman right here, she is 13.31 returns for the last 6 months. So that's good for the past 6 months. You can test this person out. Pwede nyo po siya i-copy trade. Just click on her and then copy. And then how much do you want to copy her? It's up to you. Yeah, so you can check out her portfolio and her statistics right here. So this is the past 2 months last year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months na po siyang straight na gaining. So that's good. Not bad, diba? So check this woman out if you want to, or so many others right there. So I want to recommend myself, and so I'm getting better. If you check out my my statistics, and so 2 green months na po tayo, 3 green months na straight na po tayong gaining. Recommend si Chocowin. Ito matibay to si Chocowin. Alright, so look at this right here, 185% last year. So if you want a faster, more riskier play, you can check out Chocowin, right? But my point is, kahit hindi po ako i-copy trade nyo, it's okay with me. Gusto ko pong kumita kayo, right? This guy is amazing, right? 185%, that's a lot, right? So pwede nyo po siya i-copy. All you need to do is create an eToro account. Yun lang nga po. If you want to create an eToro account, use my link. Nasa video description po. Tingnan nyo po sa baba. Just click on the video description. You'll see the eToro link, and then use that link. That will help me in return. Chocowin has been doing well, right? So, yan. Meron na po, kagabi pa lang sa chat room, meron ng mga nagpo-post na nag-gain sila kay Chocowin. Ang ingay ng mga tao dito, alas 3 ng umaga. Tingnan nyo po. Alright? If you haven't joined the chat room, by the way, join the chat room. Right? So, dito ba yun? No. Yeah. Meron dito eh. Meron ako mga ka-chat alas, gabi ni. Tapos nag-ano pa sila about, I can't remember which chat room that was. But join the chat room, right? So, download Discord and then may video. Uh-oh. Taka lang ha, umakyat si Bido. Bido sound. To go out first. Right? Labas mo na. Ang kulit eh. So, yun. Sensya na, ang gulo pa ng kwarto ko ngayon. We haven't really kahapon pa lang kami dumating, tapos nag-emergency sa isang aso ko, so hindi namin naasikaso yung mga gamit namin, so mag-ingay si Bido ngayon, so pasensya na. Right, so yeah, Chocowin, you can copy him for massive gains. This guy has been amazing last year, and right now he's doing well, so pwede nyo pong itest out si Chocowin. Right, so yun, tapos na ako mag-plug kay eToro. Let me go back to you guys. Ayan. So, morning coach insight po kay Fen. Laki na ng, kasi palagi ng bid volume. Yeah, that's looking well. Si Fen naman, let's check out Fen. Alright, I'll write down Fen. P-H-E-N. Ayan, so kamustahin natin si Fen in a bit. Good morning. Yun, so meron mga chats dito na hindi ko naman nababasa. Good aim sir, bagsak ulit si market. Insight kay EW, MBT. Yun, wala tayong magagawa dyan eh. If red ang market, PHA, I'm recommending PHA for today, right? So, nagsusupport na si PHA. I'll write down my recommendations for today. My recommendations for today are here, Shell PH, and Mac yan. So, nasa chat room po natin. Right, so those are my recommendations for today. Holcim, kamusta na natin si Holcim? Sulat ko lang muna. Right. So, yan. Ginabing ko kay ito yung pangalan eh. Good morning coach. Paki-check naman si Tugs, PHA and IRC. Right. So, let's check these out. Have a great weekend. Right. So, yon. Right, Trabador, good morning Sir Lloyd. BPI and SecB, thank you. Alright, so mga banks, bumabagsak naman ng mga banks. Sila BDO, bumagsak din. BDO, tignan ko nga kamusta yung si BDO. Yan. So, back to support level si BDO. So, hopefully, this sustains. Paso nga lang, grabe ang pula ng market kahapon eh. So, yun, bumagsak si BDO. Isa sa ito yung si BDO kahapon. Isa siya sa mga naghila ni market yesterday. Right, GFC at SMPH. Right, I'll write these down. Kamustahin natin si GFC and SMPH. Hindi pa naman sila gumagalaw. Right, gandang umaga, Ella, Montifalco, Louie, Lau, Sir Jazz po. Right, so Jazz. Right, kamustahin natin si Jazz. Just write that down. Morning. Coach, anytime po ba pwedeng i-copy trade sa eToro kahit nag-breakout na yung stock? Yeah, pwede naman. You can copy me anytime. Pero yun yung ginagawa ko muna. Isa-isa lang muna ang pinapasukan ko. Most probably, I'll be picking up the pace. Gagawin ko po 2. Most probably by next month. But for now, isa-isa lang muna. Kasi maliit pa lang watchlist ko sa eToro eh. So, I'm building my watchlist for eToro. So, right now, yun muna ang mga watchlist ko. Pag wala pang buy, pag maliit pa lang ang watchlist ko, wala pa akong buy signals na nakikita lagi. So, inintay ko yung mga buy signals. Kaya minsan wala pa akong positions. But, yun, as I make my watchlist bigger, mas marami po ako mga opportunities na makikita po. Still working on the fundamentals. Right, tinitingnan ko pa mga fundamentals ng mga pinapasukan ko ng mga companies. Kaya, konti pa lang. Right? But, yeah, if you want to copy trade, tignan mo lang yung position ko. If ever, tignan nyo yung chart ni, for example, si Google. Right here, like for example, eto si Google. Kaka-open ko pa lang. Kaka-breakout pa lang ni Google. So, okay pa siya pasukin. So, you can copy my current trades if you want to. Right? Yan. So, para paaralan, sir, pwede ko ba mag-trade dyan sa eToro? Yes, you can trade on your own. Right? eToro is good for trading also. If you're good at trading, then by all means, please trade. Right? Makapag-trade po kayo sarili ninyo. Right? Kaso nga lang, if you compare eToro with other brokers na international, medyo mas mahal si eToro. But not that much. Mas mahal nga lang siya because really the system is meant for traders na magpapa-copy trade and for those na wala naman talagang oras and just wanna do copy trading, right? So, yan yung medyo downside ni eToro if you just wanna trade by yourself. But it's still okay. I'm trading my own, right? Kahit hindi pa ako kumikita sa copy trade right now, I'm still earning on my trades, right? So, it doesn't really matter that much, right? Mark Cortez, good morning, Sir Lloyd, and to your family. Insights po kay PXP. Thanks, right? So, PXP, let's write down PXP. Ayan. SecB and GT Cap, sir, from Roger. Alright. So, siguro half fill na yung list. So, yun lang muna for today siguro. Laki ng may nag-cry dito. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ano meron ngayon sa ISM ko? Alright, so nothing much. Hindi lang naman si ISM pumupula eh. Alright. Ito lang yan. VinNap. Right, so for VinNap, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ano meron ngayon sa ISM ko? Tapos umiiyak yung icon niya. So, ganito yan. If ever you're a trader, dalawa lang naman tayo dito. Dalawa naman ang major na natin eh. Dalawa lang naman major profile natin when it comes to stock market, 'di ba? One is a trader, one is an investor. So me, I'm an investor. So tuwing bumabagsak si ISM, if you are an investor, me right now, I'm happy. Right? Kasi hindi pa umaakit si ISM. Yun nga lang, inintay ko pa yung pera ko. Pag may pera ako, I'm just gonna be buying more kay ISM. Actually, naka-standby ako ngayon. Kasi medyo pula ang market. But yeah, ISM is looking well. Look at the price action. Nasa recommendation ko ngayon si ISM. And it's near support levels. And it's starting to bounce. Right? Maganda yung price action niya. So, if I'm an investor, pag pumupula yan, this is my chance of buying more. Right? I tell you guys, pag investor kayo, it's about, kung sa Tagalog pa, sa mga bata pa, is paramihan ng holen yan. Right? The more stocks you have, the better. If you are an investor, hindi yan na may 100,000 ako dito, tapos linagay ko dito, yun yung patutubuin ko. Doesn't work like that. Hindi po kayo yaman sa 100,000 lang. It's about really accumulating as many as you can over the years, right? And then so that when the stock is already has that momentum of gaining, you are at a very good position. Manghihinayang ka, I tell you, pag 100,000 ang pinasok mo dito as an investor, pag 100,000, tapos after 10 years, makikita mo ang mahal na ni ISM, manghihinayang ka po, 100,000 lang ilinagay mo. I tell you, right, nangyari yan sa akin noon kay JFC. Konti lang nang linagay ko kay JFC kasi nababagalan ako noon. So, that was one of my mistakes before. So, right now, nanghihinayang ako. Bakit konti lang linagay ko kay JFC? Right? If I just put more in JFC before, I would have been retired right now. Yun. So, that's the goal of an investor. Right? An inspiring story I want to tell you is, ayun, yung mga may-ari ng 2Trade Asia, their family were, if it's okay to share this, I think it's okay to share this. This is a very good, this is an inspiring story when it comes to investing. Yung family po nila, ang ginagawa po, if you're wondering why, si 2Trade Asia ngayon, yung office nila nasa Lepanto building, that's part of the assets of Lepanto LC, di ba? Lepanto Corp, right? Kasi, their family, ganito lang story ng family nila. They're from Cebu, textile po yung business nila. And then, with their money, they started to accumulate LC, right? So, investing mode sila. LC, bili ng LC. Next month, bili ng LC. Whenever they want to, they buy LC. Until to a point na ang dami na stock na hawak nila sa LC na they were able to win a board seat kay LC. Tapos kahit may board seat na sila sa LC, their family just kept on buying more until sila na yung majority owner ng LC, and that's what stock skyrocketed them. So if you're an investor, really po, your goal, I tell you, your goal is to accumulate as many stocks as you can. Huwag po kayo makontento sa 100,000 lang linagay nyo dyan. Hindi po yan. Hindi po ganun ang investing. I tell you guys, manghihinayang kayo a few years from now. Tapos yung stock ninyo na gusto-gusto nyo i-invest is konti lang ang hawak ninyo. Right? So, if you're an investor, si ISM right now is doing well. It has a very solid base right now. That's good. Whenever it dips, this is your opportunity to buy more. Pag trader ka naman, right, that is when you should be concerned. If bumabagsak ang stock mo, na-hit na yung cut loss mo, just get out already because you're a trader. Ganun lang, simple as that. So, basically, yung sinabi ko, this is what I always say in my seminars. If you know yourself and know the enemy, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. Kahit po anong mangyari sa stock mo, hindi ka matataranta, hindi ka malulungkot, kasi alam mo ang ginagawa mo. So, if kilala mo na sarili mo, and wala ka pong ikakatakot sa stock market, it shouldn't be stressful, right? JPM Games, Coach, medyo hawig mo pala si Amir Khan, yung sikat na Bollywood star. Oh no, nagiging Indiano na ako. Thank you so much, JPM. I still take that as a compliment. And J. Mendiola, Sir, Sir, may fee po ba yung copy trade sa eToro? Thanks and more power. Wala pong fee ang copy trading, right? It's the same fees that even me as a trader, may fees na binabayaran, di ba, sa pagde-trade to the broker. Same as you, if you copy trade me, wala pong fees ang copy trading, but whenever your position is traded, may fees din doon sa position mo. So, ganun lang. Patrick, Mark Ray, good morning. WPI po. I'll write down WPI. Right, Benji Lauren, morning Sir Lloyd, received ko na $50 from eToro. Ayan, so yung mga students ko last February 2 on the seminar in Manila that was sponsored by eToro, lahat mga nag-open ng hindi nag-open, nag-join ng seminar and nag-fund na attendees ng seminar, they got a bonus from eToro. They got a $50 bonus from eToro. So po, baka po mag-seminar ulit kami ng eToro. Seminar na sponsored ng eToro. It's not about eToro ang seminar. It's really about trading. But sponsored by eToro. So, susunod po na lalabas yung opportunity na yan. Huwag niyo po sasayangin. Right? So, yun. Sayang naman. Right? So, congratulations sa mga nag-join. They won $50 from eToro. Natanggap na nila. So, bali yung seminar na libre na. May gains pa sila. learnings plus money from eToro. So congratulations, Benji. Right, Jonar Aguilar, magkano po start sa eToro? With just $200, you can already copy trade. North sa web, Sir Lord, good morning. Alright, let's check out web. And so pulo na yung list ko. I think this is all the things I can these are all the stocks that I can chart for today. Rodrigo Calos, good morning. Eduardo Arcor, may balita daw this March sa ISM. Hopefully okay na yung news niya. Actually, lahat ng mga wala na tayong problema kay ISM eh. Ang concern na lang, lahat ng news, lahat ng catalyst ng ISM, linabas niya na. Siya na po, ang third telco, tuloy na po. Wala na pong problema for me, actually. So, that's already well. Ang iniintay na lang natin is the volume from the investors, and the investors are wise. Right? Investors will want fundamentals first. Wala pa tayong nakikitang fundamentals ni Udena. So, yon, hindi pa gumagalaw yung stock, which is good because this will give us more time to accumulate while it's still sideways. And if it's gonna be good, if maganda naman yung numbers ni Udena, then we bet well, right? So, if ever bumagsak yan, you just keep buying more. And if ever paglabas ng news, pangit yung fundamentals niyo din then you can always get out if you want to, 'di ba? Hindi pa aakyat 'yan. But I think it's gonna be very well, especially with the projects right now with Pampanga. Pampanga is the government is already focusing on it. It's gonna be a very good legacy by President Duterte, si Pampanga. So I think matutuloy 'yan. With the telco, so I think it's gonna be well. So that's why I'm betting on ISM. So malaking chunk po of my money right now is with ISM. And then hopefully when the fundamentals come, dyan na po papasok ang volume with ISM. So this is ample time to accumulate more. So hopefully okay na, Eduardo, right? Che Hero, good morning sir, welcome back po. Thank you so much. Blues Lover, and nga pala guys, paki-share po yung video. Please share it to your walls sa mga so that your friends will know about the stock market. What do you call this? Their curiosity will be sparked when it comes to stock market. At least one lang dyan, makatulong tayo sa mga kaibigan natin, di ba? And yun, share this to your trading groups para sa mga newbies doon. Malaman po nila na may ganitong mga program. So, yun. Che Hero, Blues Lover, good morning. ICT and CEB po. Alright. Nahuli ko si Swiss sa nagpapump kay Wilcon kahapon. So, that's good. Good job. Alright. So, yun. Hipster Tripster, Sir Lloyd, Alco, WPI, Mas, CPG, thank you. Ido Almoy, Sir Lloyd, pasuyo po kay X. Thanks, sir. We did check out X yesterday. Kahapon yung best entry niya. Sa MBT ko po, good morning. DMW, MPI, MHC. So, yun. Marami pa rin natatakot na investor kay ISM. Yes, totoo yan. Kasi wala pang fundamentals eh. So, right now we are betting. This is a speculative stock. So, pasensya na guys. Ito lang muna ang iti-take ko muna ng mga requests. So, yun lang muna. So, sir, okay ba yung Nasdaq 100 sa eToro? Patingin po. As an index, Nasdaq 100 is very good. Right, so tingnan natin yan mamaya yung chart. Ace Bernal, thanks for sa 50 from eToro and Sir Lloyd, you're welcome. Right, si Emil Angelo then received na yung 50, so good job. Right, so we'll go to my recommendations for today. Here are my recommendations. Again, I'll put this on the comments. Right, so Shell PH, Mark, MAC, TBGI, PHA, MEG, IMI, and ISM. So, yun po yung mga picks ko for today. Kaso nga lang si market medyo shaky. So, it's up to you if you want to be aggressive. I don't really like to be aggressive in this time na medyo tagilid ang market. If ever I see a bearish market, I just focus more on my what do you call this, investing stocks. Pag hindi nakikisama si market, I usually do not open a trading position. So here are my picks. So let's go to my picks. Number 1 is Shell PH. Right. So if ever you want to trade today, here are good positions. Si Shell PH, medyo okay naman yung volume niya and very good bounce at MA20. So this is a good position right here. Pwede po kayong mag-breakout strategy kay Shell PH. That has been a very very good position. Remember, I did recommend Shell PH here. Saan ko pa ba na-recommend si Shell PH? I think dito rin. I can't remember. I think wala na ako dito. Kasi medyo matagal rin ako nawala. But there it is. I did recommend it on that support right there. Shell PH has been doing well. And nag-breakout na. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Shell noon. And right now, Shell, kung gusto nyo po humabol, pwedeng breakout strategy for Shell PH. Right? So, Shell PH, very good position right now. Very low risk sa mga gusto maghabol kay Shell. Mark naman, alright, so Mark is in this area right here. Napakaganda po ng support na yan. Those are very good levels. So, check out Mark's position if you want to. Ayan, isa po yan sa mga magandang positions. Ngayon, Mac naman, and si Mac has created a support right here. So, you can test out this support if you want to. Napakalit po ng risk kay Mac. Very good company. As long as we're working on a downtrend. So, as much as possible, so far, maganda naman si Mac actually. So, for a conservative approach, pwede po breakout po ang gawin ninyo. But this support for me, I think this is gonna be good. Right? So, especially for Mac. And so, best to wait for a breakout. For conservative ones, aggressive players, you can test out the support if you want to. Get in near support as much as you can. And then, TBGI. Yan. So, TBGI po, very constricted Bollinger Band na. So, very solid level right now. So, yeah, you can test out this support if you want to for TBGI. Sila po yung isa po sa mga maambunan ng biyaya for the towers of the third telco. So, check out TBGI. PHA, ito si PHA. I've been looking for an avenue to buy more kay PHA. Right, so MA20 sana, but it failed and then sideways na siya ngayon. But right now, it's holding. Right, this is the good thing about this support. Kahit na break yung MA20 niya, the support is holding right here. You can test out this support. Napakaganda po ng position yan. Sa mga gustong maghabol kay PHA, this is the best avenue para maghabol kay PHA. Malayo-layo pa yung tinitignan natin kay PHA. The biggest projection is around 5 pesos, but to be conservative, 3 piso yung gusto kong ma-take profits area. So this is still good. So PHA, pwede po dyan kay PHA. Next is MEG. Right. Mega World, right. Same with PHA, is forming a support right here. So we are at support levels. Kakabounce lang po natin sa support. So that's a good avenue to check it out. MEG, right? So buy as long as that support holds. IMI naman. So IMI, bakit nga ba si IMI? Yung nga pala. Si IMI had a good volume spike and we are playing at MA20. You can check out IMI at MA20, right? So, get near MA20 as much as you can para maliit po yung risk ninyo. Lastly po, so recommendations ko for today is ISM. Right, so ISM, good price action right here. Right, so we are seeing na wala po nagbebenta and yun, kaso nga lang wala pong volume, but wala na po nagbebenta at that levels. You can test out the support of ISM, get in near this. For those who are accumulating ISM, this is a good avenue to buy more. Ito po yung accumulation na this is the sideways movement that we're looking at. This is the best time to buy more. Nagsa-sideways na po siya, nagsa-stabilize na po yung base niya. So, buy more for ISM. This is the best avenue to buy more. Yan, so, yun lang. Sakit rin nalalamunan ko eh. We're gonna talk about the requests. May mga requests kanina. Pasensya na if hindi ko po makakover lahat. I'll do this the quickest I can. Number 1, si ABS. Right, ABS. Nga pala, we want to thank 2Trade Asia. Nahatid na po natin. When I was in Manila, nahatid po namin yung mga, what do you call this? Mga papers na mga kapatid natin nasa UAE and Qatar. Meron po doon. Even for those who are not my students, nag-drop by po sila, nag-submit ng mga papers nila. Dinala po natin sa 2Trade Asia so that they can open an account. So, check out 2Trade Asia at 2tradeasia.com. They're very good, what do you call this? Very fast broker. You can use their Prime platform. Napakaganda po ng Prime platform. Very useful as a trader. For those students of mine, right? So mga students ko po na nakapag-enroll na sa akin, you can open a 2Trade Asia account for as low as 5K po. Yan po yung exclusive na promotion po ni 2Trade Asia na binigay po sa atin sa mga students natin. So if you wanna avail of that, you can be a student of mine. Meron po akong seminar bukas, 9 in the morning, Saturday and Sunday, 9 in the morning then. If you wanna join that, send me a message sa Facebook page ko or to my personal FB account. So, I can give you the details para po you'll learn how to trade and you can open an account sa 2Trade Asia for just as low as 5K. So, yan yung promotion po ng 2-trade Asia sa atin. Right, so next up sa mga request, si ABS. Yan, si ABS right now is on a downtrend. So downtrend line po tayo. Wait lang, right? I tell you, I am following ABS. Ako nga nag-recommend yan dito pa lang, di ba? So ABS, I'll tell you if okay na bumili. I recommended here and here. Kaso nga lang hindi na nag-sustain during that levels. So, yun, at least gain pa rin. I'll tell you if hinog na si ABS. Right now, hindi pa po. So, iwas lang muna kay ABS. I-recommend ko yan when I think it's already good. Right? Si Alco, ito sa mga tinitingnan ko eh. Somehow, so far so good. Alco has been holding on to that support. So, I think Alco is okay. If you want to enter Alco, get in this support as much as possible. Alco is a good company. This is a good avenue to check it out. Alco, dapat linagay ko rin yan si Alco sa recommendations ko. So, yeah, if I can put that on there, that is good. LTG, so right now, bearish yung signal ni LTG eh. Red Bollinger Band trigger, but we have a support at this area. Let's see if that support will sustain. But right now, it's not a good avenue to buy LTG. MPI, so MPI naman, so same old. Alright, ang daming pula sa mga blue chips yesterday eh. So, yon, Red Bollinger Band trigger pa tayo with a massive sell signal. So, wag muna si MPI. Let's see if it will hold on to this. It will bounce on this secondary support. So, maybe here. Baka mag-bounce naman si MPI today. We don't really know yet for sure. So, I will not be recommending it as of the moment. May nag-request kanina. Sinanat ba yun about AEV? It's AEV. Red Bollinger Band trigger po yan. So, alam po natin saan papunta yan. Very good, very big spike on the selling. So, delikado. So, konti ingat po kay AEV. Right? So, not yet. For now, iwasan po naman natin. This is the best avenue for AEV. Look at that divergence right there. Yung tinuturo ko po sa inyo lagi. This is the best time to enter AEV. So, antayin lang natin. Baka mag-sustain na naman sa baba. MA20 bounces. So, we don't have that stabilization right now. Some tested it here at this support, pero nag-fail ang support. That happens in trading. So, if it fails, then just cut your losses. Right now, wala pa tayong signal to buy AEV. So, abang-abang lang. Abangan po natin. So, isa na yun sa mga tinitingnan natin ngayon. For any future positions. Si FEN naman, ayun, wala pa eh. So, we have a support right here kay FEN. Maybe it will bounce today. So, may nag-ask kanina, si FEN lumalaki ang volume niya. So, hopefully, it will bounce at that support. Pag nag-bounce the support na yun, that will be a good avenue to buy it. So, right now, si EW naman, alright, so EW is forming this bearish triangle ito eh. So, let's see if it will break out. So, pag nag-break out, that will be our entry point. EW, with the market right now, baka mag-break yung support ni EW. We don't really know. Hopefully, it bounces. Pag nag-bounce, that is good. And pag nag-break out, that will be our entry point for EW. But right now, no need to be aggressive on EW. Metrobank, yun nga, sabi natin, Bollinger Band trigger. When Bollinger Bands happen, usually that's a downtrend. Alam po natin sa pupunta yan. And then there it is. So, nahulaan yan using Bollinger Bands. So, right now, malaki pa rin ang spike niya pababa. Malaki yung selling yesterday. So, baka bumagsak pa si Metrobank. So, no need to be aggressive on MBT. So, stay away lang muna. PHA, we've already checked that out. Holcim, yun, si Holcim, nasa MA20. Hopefully, mag-bounce sa MA20 si Holcim. But right now, Bollinger Band is telling us na magsa-sideways pa siya. So, I think magsa-sideways pa si Holcim. Let's see if we can make a stabilization at around this level. That will be our best entry point to test. Next test option kay Holcim is that area. So, Holcim. Next is Tugs. Right? Si Tugs naman, recommend natin yesterday. And green naman siya. So far, so good. Pwede pa rin pasukin si Tugs. Right? It's been giving us a good price action pa rin si Tugs. So, yun. Pwede pa rin pasukin si Tugs. Pwede pa habulin. IRC. Ayun, we did say that this is the support, so best to get in the support and kakabounce na sa support. Yeah, IRC, I will recommend IRC. Actually, hindi ko nirecommend si IRC today kasi 2 days ago, nirecommend ko na si IRC at this support, so that is our entry point. So IRC, still, it's a good buy. pwede pa pong habulin yan, buy as long as that support holds. So BPI naman, bumabagsak rin. Ayun, so Bollinger Band trigger, alam natin sa pupunta yan, and then there it is. Yan, if it's leaning heavy on the lower Bollinger Bands, alam po natin na magda-downtrend yan. So, it's doing a downtrend right now. So, iwas lang muna. Hopefully soon. Mura pa naman si BPI overall. So, this is something you wanna watch. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. If you're a trader and then wala kayong makitang position, BPI is one of your watch list, abangan nyo po ang ganito. Alright, si BPI, bumabagsak si BPI. The price is still very good. Anytime soon, this is gonna give you a buy signal. Right, ganito ang trading, guys. I will teach you. I will always teach you. Trading is hindi po kailangan na kung wala pang posisyon si BPI, maghanap na lang ako ng iba. If BPI is in your watch list, abangan nyo na ito. Anytime soon, baka bukas, baka next week, this is gonna give us a buy signal. Make sure you have money available. Right, so kung gusto nyo po si BPI, may pera kayo ngayon, huwag nyo munang gagamitin on other stocks. Huwag kayong maghanap ng iba. Stick with BPI. And sit it out until it gives you a buy signal. Pag nag-buy signal yan sa atin, most probably around this level right here, that's your entry point. Sayang naman po si BPI. Tapos, nagbigay ng buy signal, tapos nagamit nyo yung pera nyo sa ibang stocks na hindi nyo naman gaanong kagustuhan. I strongly recommend wait for BPI at this level, right? So, wag nyo po muna galawin ang pera nyo. Sit it out. Ganun lang ang trading. Sit it out, and then if this gives us a buy signal, definitely, why not bet on BPI? Napakagandang company na yan. GFC, somehow, is still doing sideways, so buy as long as the support holds. Right now, wala pa tayong green, so I will not recommend GFC as of the moment. SMPH. SMPH naman, okay, still consolidating. Support is holding. So, let's see if mag-green. Pag mag-green, that is confirming a support for SMPH. You can test that support. Ang problema ko lang kay SMPH, napakalapit po ng resistance. So, hopefully, this support holds, right? Mahirap ito i-trade. So, napakalit lang ng support, risk to reward ratio nyo. So, I will not recommend trading this. But if you are an investor, this is an avenue to buy more at this support level. So, dyan po tayo bumili, right? Maybe try a breakout if you want to, kasi malapit naman yung breakout level niya. Breakout would be a good confirmation na bullish na naman si SMPH. So, no need to be aggressive kay SMPH. Right? So, Jackstone, we have a support. Sorry. We have a support right here. That is your entry point. Pwede nyo pong pasukin dyan if natitipuhan nyo po si Jackstone. PXP, right, I'm trying to keep my levels high, pero inaantok po talaga ako. So, tapusin ko lang ang list ko, right, sa mga requests. So, PXP, we're almost there. PXP, we're at resistance levels, so wait for it to go back down to support to buy or make a higher low, maybe. So, right now, wala pa tayong buy signal kay PXP. So, iwas lang muna. SECB, ayun, Bollinger Band trigger na naman si SECB, so most probably babagsak pa ito. Grabe, pulang market yesterday, so the blue chips have been falling down. So ito yun, isa. So bumabagsak pa si SECB, abangan po natin ulit yung buy signal niya. Right, so yun, if si SECB ang gusto ninyo, just keep your money. Huwag po kayo maatat bumili. Right, abangan nyo po. Ang dami pong pwedeng abangan ngayon sila BDO, SECB, BPI, very good companies para abangan sa baba. So make sure you have money ready para sa buy signals nila. GT Cap also, Bollinger Band trigger. So I think GT Cap is gonna go down as of the moment. Downturn pa po siya. Here's the downturn of GT Cap. So no buy signals as of the moment. So iwas lang muna kay GT Cap. WPI. Right, so WPI naman, nag-break ng support. Konting ingat, breaking the support. So that's bearish right now. So WPI, I don't wanna recommend that yet. Lastly is web. So web naman, alright, so far so good. We have a support right there on this area. Right, so around this area, if it bounces, that's a very good avenue to buy web. You can see the RSI, you can see the volume. This is accumulation at that level. So pag nag-bounce si web, this is your opportunity to buy more sa mga ipit, or this is, if you want to trade web, this is a good avenue to test it out. Napakababa na po ng level na yun for web, and we can see so much buying at that level. So, this is a good avenue for web. pag nag-bounce yan, pwede nyo pong pasukin sa web. Right? So, Friday today, baka magpula pa rin sa market. So, konti ingat po sa market. No need to be aggressive. It's a bearish market. Unless your stock is on a support and kaka-bounce lang, pwede nyo pong pasukin. If ever medyo missed opportunity na, no need to be aggressive and chase after those stocks because the market is bearish. So, konting ingat. I don't want you to be aggressive on the market, right? If your stock is on the resistance levels, take profits po. Mag-take profits po kayo. Huwag mo po sasayangin yung gains ninyo. eToro guys, yun yung kagandahan kay eToro. Alright, the international market is bullish right now. Right, may nag-ask kanina si Nasdaq, tignan daw natin. Right, so Nasdaq 100, tignan natin. Yun, international market, look at that. Everything is bullish. So, yun, bullish market ang US stocks. Kaso nga lang medyo resistance na siya. But yun, huwag po natin sasayangin ang opportunities in the international market. Create an eToro account. Again, use my link when you create an eToro account. It's a weekend. Alright, so take profits. Ingat. I'll see you again next week. Right? So next week, hopefully makapag-adjust na ulit yung katawan ko, makapagpahinga na ako ng ayos. We're gonna be ramping up the lessons natin by next week. So I'll see you again next week, same time, 8:15 in the morning. As always, let's get rich together. Enjoy your weekend. Bye everyone. Oh